posts and footings installation from start to finish. Posts and footings play an important role in supporting your home. Help transfer the weight of the structure above into the ground and provide stability at critical load-bearing points. When existing posts or footings are settling, deteriorating, undersized, or no longer providing adequate support, you may begin to notice warning signs throughout the home, such as cracks, uneven or sloping floors, settlement, or doors and windows that become difficult to open and close. The homeowners were noticing warning signs throughout the main floor, including cracking and settlement around the living room and kitchen areas. The floor had dropped approximately 1¼ inches, indicating that the existing support system was no longer providing the stability the structure needed. The home had 2 existing support posts that were identified for replacement, and structural engineer report recommended removing the existing posts and replacing them. Before removing the existing posts, careful preparation was essential. Our crew first measured the existing posts and evaluated their placement so we could determine the appropriate temporary support needed during the replacement process. We then installed a temporary support system to safely carry the structural load while the existing posts were removed. This step is critical when working with load-bearing components because the structure above must remain properly supported throughout the repair. Once the temporary support was in place, we carefully excavated to remove the 2 existing posts and began preparing the areas for the new footings. In some cases, the problem can be related to movement or settlement beneath the existing footings. Installing new footings and properly supported posts can provide a stronger base and help restore the structural support the home needs.
Once the existing posts were removed and the areas were prepared, we moved on to the next critical step, the installation of the new concrete footings.
The footings provide a solid base for the new support posts and are designed to properly transfer the structural load into the ground. After the concrete was poured, we allowed it to cure for approximately 5 days before continuing with the next stage of the installation.
This waiting period allows the concrete to gain the necessary strength before the new posts are installed and the structural load is transferred onto the new footing system. Sometimes doing the job right means giving the materials the time they need to perform properly. 5 days later. Our crew returned to continue the installation of the new posts and complete the structural support system.
Projects like this demonstrate why foundation and structural warning signs shouldn't be ignored. Cracks, settlement, uneven floors, and changes around doors or other areas of the home can sometimes indicate that the support system below needs attention. This wasn't simply about replacing 2 posts. It was about addressing the underlying support issue and creating a more reliable structural system for the home moving forward.
We lifted the home to correct the damage.
Pier provides foundation and structural solutions designed around the specific needs of each home. Proper support starts from the ground up. Backed by our 5-year of warranty,
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy seeing real project walkthroughs and educational content, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow Pier for more foundation repair, waterproofing, drainage, and structural repair videos.